How to cure type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is a chronic condition that affects millions of people around the world. While it can be challenging to manage, there are several things you can do to help cure it. 1. Change your diet. One of the most effective ways to cure type 2 diabetes is to change your diet. Focus on eating whole, unprocessed foods that are low in sugar and refined carbohydrates. 2. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise can help you lose weight, improve your insulin sensitivity, and lower your blood sugar levels. Aim for at least 30 minutes of exercise each day. 3. Manage stress. Stress can cause your blood sugar levels to rise, so it's important to find ways to manage it. Try meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. 4. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can also raise your blood sugar levels, so make sure you're getting enough rest each night. 5. Take medications as prescribed. If your doctor has prescribed medications for your type 2 diabetes, make sure you take them as directed. By making these changes to your lifestyle, you can help cure your type 2 diabetes and improve your overall health. Remember to always work closely with your doctor to ensure you're on the right track. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share Teacher Ryan Gallardo.